The video which you are seeing on your screen, it is completely AI generated. A new model is going very much popular, which can modify your video as well as image into realistic video with animations. Let's dive into it and discuss about it. In the field of artificial intelligence, we are seeing a latest update. A new model is going very much popular. This model is origin from China. Name of the model is Spectrum. Basically, it is owned by Bytedance, a TikTok owning company. They have launched this model. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I've been regularly AI related videos on my channel. So by subscribing, you can be a part of it and gain some knowledge regarding AI and latest update models. On your screen, you are seeing the video. It is also completely generated using Spectrum. Just it has an image as a reference in a background with some animations effects on it, like an overlay effect. That is completely insane. Here is another example. Their entire scene is static. Only the some part of scene is like a moving, but the entire scene is looking like a realistic video. This is a volcanic effect generated using Spectrum. There are several videos provided on their official video. I will showcase it, and after that I will discuss about the benchmark as well as the architecture of the model. Here you can see entire image is static, but only one part of image is moving in a scene, but it is looking like a realistic video. The birds. There is another example. It is like a static stuff, but moving across some realistic images effects. Here you can see another example. In the background everything is static and the cook is moving, and with this fire effect it is looking like a realistic video. Here is another example on your screen. This is also generated using Spectrum. Although if we talk about the video generation length, it is approximately 2 to 5 seconds videos. With the help of this, you can easily generate any type of videos according to your use case, and try to stitch it and make a realistic videos. Here is another example which I showed you initially. This was also generated using Spectrum. Spectrum uses the architecture of diffusion architecture for using this type of animation on the layer of image. Let's see some architecture as well as the example. Here you can see as compared to Flux, Taylor as well as T-Catch and Fora and Spectrum. Spectrum is outperforming the accuracy. It has 4.7% better result as compared to other models like Flux, Taylor, T-Catch as well as the Fora. This makes this model very much powerful. As well as the lightning effect shadows are also looking very much realistic as compared to others in a Spectrum. If we talk about the benchmark, on your screen here you can see the benchmark. If we comparison with the stable diffusion 3.5 large as well as this Flux model, here you can see Fora, Toka, T-Catch, Taylor. Here Spectrum is performing the accuracy 7.73 and 3.47 as well as the PSNR 24.32. Much it is outperforming other existing models. It also uses the clip embedding for converting the images into embeddings. Here you can see this uses the architecture of Sebezius polynomials, like a mathematical equation for performing this type of effect with uses online fitting via ridge regression as well as the forecasting. This is completely insane because the diffusion model is pretty much insane because it uses the frame by frame of each, and at last passes through a type of Sebezius polynomial, and it is a type of mathematical equations which are used in a diffusion architecture for generating a realistic output. I think so this type of models will be used in the future for generating realistic videos, and this type of basically video as well as image generation models are dependent on the diffusion architecture. Although I think so this model is open source, but if you talk about the API usage, you have to pay some amount for using this. And this was completely insane. I hope so you love this video. and the spectrum model. Don't forget to check it out on their official website, and don't forget to subscribe. So next up video with latest AI topic. So bye bye and take care.